Okay, so here's a video on how I tie my hair up at nighttime. So this is my silk scarf. This is a silk scarf, 100% silk. What I found about these is that they don't slip and slide as much as satin. But this is a 100% Mulberry silk scarf. It is hard for me to find these. I'm actually trying to find them so that I can sell them to you all, or just have them for easy access for you all. But this is what I found. It doesn't slip as much. You see, it's not all shiny, and it has like a very I know you can't feel it, but it's not slippery, but it's soft. So it doesn't actually slide all over the place. So this is 100% silk. So what I do, I go in and I like to tie my whole head up. So I tie it around and I tie it below my bangs and then push it up. So my bangs kind of go up and then I tie it in the back. Just like this. Put my little bow back there. And then I take this front piece and I just tuck it around to the side. So here you go. This is my head wrap. Okay. So now I'm going to take it off and show you in just a minute how I fluff my hair. Take my scarf off here. There you go. And see, my hair is all smashed. It's all smashed. That got a little separation right there. It's okay. Just gonna go in here. So first we're gonna use the S3 Shine Spray by Influance. Hope you can see that. The bottle is kind of shiny, but let me see if I can get the light in there. There we go. So the S3 Shine Spray by Influence. So I'm going to spray this all over. What I love about this spray is that it is a silicone spray and it's not oily. So it's not going to make your hair oily. It's not going to make you break out on your skin. And you can apply it daily and it's not going to build up on your hair. Now I'm going to take this blow dryer. I'm going to turn off the sound so you don't have to hear it. But here's the blow dryer. And we're going to use our concentrator because I want that direct air to really go in at my roots and fluff my hair. So now I'm going to put this on. And we're going to use this on medium heat because I do want that shine spray to kind of get heated up and help to create some shine in my hair. So what I like to do on the sides where it's kind of flat is I like to pick up my curl and pull it straight out. Not pull it out where I'm making it frizzy, but lifting it up so that it comes out from my head. Now you would just go ahead and start to brush down your sides and get everything together. If you want to, you can add another layer of shine spray, but that is it. So this is my finished product. This is my hair.